In today's video, I'll show you how to add multiple languages in Wix. This is perfect if you want to reach an international audience and make your website accessible to visitors around the world. To get started, head to your Wix dashboard. From there, open the app market and search for Wix Multilingual. When it appears, click Add to Site to install it. You can also do this directly from the Wix editor by clicking Settings in the top menu, selecting Multilingual, and then clicking Get Started. Both options take you to the same setup. Once the app is installed, you'll first be asked to choose your main language. This is the default language of your site, so choose carefully because it can't be changed later. After that, click Add Language to include additional languages. Select the ones that match the audiences you want to target. Wix will then guide you through translating your content, including text, images, and SEO settings for each language. Be sure to review your translations for accuracy and clarity so your message feels natural in every language. And that's it. Your Wix site is now multilingual and ready for a global audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.